Now let's talk about what is division of work. It means breaking down a job or task into smaller parts and assigning it to individual or group of people based on their specialization. For example, a small bakery with 5 employees. The baker 1 handles dough preparation and baking, while the baker 2 focuses on decorating and packaging. Employee 3 is the one who manages customer orders and handles the register, while Employee 4 maintains inventory and orders supplies. Last is Employee 5 who cleans, restocks, and supports other roles as needed. Remember, without division of work, every employee tries to do everything. This leads to confusion, mistakes, and inefficiency. Thank you and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.